Hello, and welcome to another edition of Tutorial Tuesday. The Muhlenberg County Public Libraries offer several online resources for you to use free of charge. Today, I'd like to talk about Auto Repair Source. From their website, we can see that Auto Repair Source provides the most accurate, authoritative, and up-to-date service and repair information for thousands of domestic and imported vehicles. All content comes from OEM and includes step-by-step repair information, diagrams, maintenance schedules, parts and labor estimates, service bulletins, and recall. They also include things as specifications, diagnostic trouble codes, and component locations. They do offer intelligent search, which is friendly for both computers and mobile devices. And they list a few more specifics on the things that they offer. To access that website, start by going to the library website at mcplib.org. Scroll down to the Get Started section and click on Online Resources. From here, you can scroll down till you see the picture with the Auto Repair Reference Center icon and click on it. The user ID is Muhlenberg CO. The password changes periodically, so please come in or call us to find out the most recent password information. After typing that in, click Sign In. Now you'll need to choose your vehicle. For this example, I'll choose a 2016 Dodge Dart GT. Also, you'll need to specify the correct engine type that you have. Use the menu on the left-hand side to navigate to the specific area of the vehicle that you need to look for. Or use the search bar at the top. We'll use air filter as an example. First, you'll see diagnostic trouble codes. We'll then have specifications for the different types of air filters, the component locations of them, the estimated time it will take to repair or replace these, part numbers, procedures for how to replace them, service bulletins, and wiring diagrams. You probably won't need a wiring diagram to change an air filter, but as you'll notice, I typed in the two words air and filter together, and it searched for both words simultaneously. So that's why I'm getting results for airbags, and other things when searching for just air filter. As you're scrolling through your search list, you will see that what you typed for specifically is highlighted in yellow. Let's take a look at the procedure for this. It gives you some information on when this should be done and step-by-step instructions on what to do. There are some pictures to help you out along the way. Whenever you see the number You can simply click on that and it will bring up an enlarged image. To go back to your search results, click on the X on the right hand side. Now let's see if we can find some information on the brakes. Using the menu on the left side, I'll click on the brakes category. Here is General Procedures. And there are several things listed. Let's take a look at replacing the brake pads. And here are my detailed instructions, along with some pictures to help me out. Now let's take a look at some routine maintenance procedures. Underneath battery replacement, we have a few different options here. This one's about the cable ends, and this one is about replacing the battery. We've already gone over the cabin air filter. There are several computer relearn procedures, fuel filter replacement, and lamp reset procedures. Now let's say that you had a tire that was low and you wanted to make sure it got up to the proper PSI. The quickest place to find out this information is to go into specifications and clicking on tires. This will tell you the different tire sizes for your specific trim and wheel type. And as you can see, it doesn't give you a PSI, but down at the bottom for the footnote, it does say to look at the information inside the door panel for your PSI. Also note there are lots of specifications for different things underneath the specifications category. Another handy tool is to use the maintenance schedule. You can type in how many miles you have on your car. We'll say 150,000 miles from normal service. And it will tell you at each interval what you should do at that time. I hope that this gives you a good overview of the good information and procedures you can get from this website. If you're a do-it-yourself type of person or you just need to know the exact specifications of a car part, this is a great resource to have. Again, this is a free service provided by the Muhlenberg County Public Libraries. Thanks for watching.